This is Chris with Clarkson Pools. Today I'm going to go over how to properly lower the water level in your pool. In preparation for heavy rains or hurricane season, it's sometimes necessary to lower the water level in your pool. This quick guide will walk you through the proper steps. It's important not to lower the water level too much. Removing too much water can cause structural issues, including the risk of your pool flooding, and may void your warranty. First, you're going to find your hose bib attached to the outlet side of the swimming pool pump. Next, you're going to attach a garden hose to the spigot. You're going to open the spigot and then turn on your swimming pool pump and run the garden hose somewhere you would like the water to drain to. When draining water, always follow your local community regulations regarding water discharge. You want to make sure to locate and turn off the autofill. Always set a timer when lowering your water level. This helps prevent accidentally draining too much water. You want to be careful and not drain below your skimmer located here. Your pool may be equipped with an optional skimmer drain line that would be located here. This process is for lowering water levels only, not for fully draining your pool. If you have questions or need assistance, contact our pool care team for guidance.